Question number 23. Two bar magnets are held in place with north poles facing each other. Which diagram shows the correct magnetic field? So you have two bar magnets like this. Which of these shows the correct magnetic field? See, this is having a magnetic field line like this. This is having a magnetic field line like this. What will happen? So the magnetic field lines will go like this. So here there will be a null point being situated like this. Okay. So these two magnetic fields will join only when this is north and this is south. Okay. But if this is north and that's also north, it will never join. So therefore, this is incorrect. It's also incorrect for the same reason. Difference between these two is it is going from north to north in this direction, is towards the backward direction. Here, you see, the diagram looks very similar to this. C is the right answer. And here what's happening? This also looks very similar, but it is now taking inward. Okay, this is not possible because magnetic field lines from a north pole go outward. Okay, for a north pole, it's always outward. For a south pole, it's always eastward. If this was a south pole, in south pole also south pole, yeah, maybe this was possible, but this is north pole. This is possible. C is right.